Withdrawing money from Amazon FBA involves transferring your earnings from your Amazon Seller Central account to your bank account. Here's a concise guide. Set up your bank account. Ensure your bank account details are correctly entered in your Amazon Seller Central account. Go to Settings and select Account Info. Under Deposit Methods, input your bank account information where you want Amazon to transfer your earnings. Monitor your payments. Amazon disburses payments to sellers every 14 days. This includes all sales revenue, minus Amazon fees and any refunds. Navigate to the Reports tab, then select Payments to view your payment summary, including upcoming disbursements. Request a withdrawal. While Amazon automatically disburses funds bi-weekly, you can manually request an early disbursement if needed. Go to the Reports tab, select Payments, and then Request Transfer. This option may only be available if you have a positive balance and if it has been more than 24 hours since the last disbursement. Ensure compliance. Make sure your account is in good standing and compliant with Amazon's policies to avoid payment holds. Address any performance issues or policy violations promptly to ensure smooth fund transfers. Check bank account. Once Amazon initiates a transfer, it typically takes 3 to 5 business days for the funds to appear in your bank account. Monitor your bank account to confirm receipt of the funds.